learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for our practical Hakka on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way.
我要跟你要礼物，
马上有圣诞节气氛了哈。那当然，圣诞节啊要交换礼物，对不对？
对啊，然后你走在路上，哇，那些树都好漂亮。
Yeah, we always love Christmas because, I mean, first of all, Christmas is a season of love and you can spend time with your family and loved ones. But there's also some gift exchange going on at times, right? 圣诞节的这种交换礼物的活动啊，一定要先买好圣诞礼物啊。
可是有时候会忘记
了，因为在工作忙了，然后又没有放假的话，就会忘了。
对呀。
Okay, let's say you forgot to buy your Christmas gift. So this whole month is about forgetting something. And this particular episode, forgot to buy a Christmas gift. 我忘了怎么说？
我唔記得。
Okay, that means I forgot. 好 let's put you in the scenario. 明天要交换圣诞礼物了。Tomorrow we're going to do a Christmas gift exchange.
天公爺，愛交換聖誕禮物的。
聖誕禮物的。聖誕就是聖誕 Christmas. 禮物就是
禮物
gift, a present.
天公爺愛交換聖誕禮物的。
That's right. Tomorrow we're going to do a gift exchange. 我忘記買了。
糟糕了。
I forgot to buy my present. 怎麼說我忘了去買。
我唔記得去買。
去買就是去買啊哈。我唔記得去買。Okay, that means I forgot to go buy. 趕快去買啦。
對啊，那你晚上趕快去買啊，還來得及。
是啊，很多店到9點10點都還開着嘛，趕快去買一份禮物咯。你晚上快去買哦。安補呀。
夾去買哦。
夾去買哦。
安補呀，夾去買哦。
這些以前都有教過，這是幾個單詞，夾，就是要快一點嘛。夾 that means quickly, hurry up and go. 去買剛剛教了嘛，要去買嘛。所以今天晚上趕快去買就好了，對不對？ All right, let's review some of these vocabularies such as 聖誕禮物, a Christmas gift. 聖誕禮物. Okay, that's a Christmas present. 買 to buy. 買其實是一樣哦，這一定要記得哦。那說今天晚上 tonight 怎麼說呢？安補呀 Okay, that means tonight. Hurry up and get your Christmas shopping done. And don't forget, we are teaching you the phrase I forgot. 我忘了。
我唔記得。
And there you have it. That does it today's practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
按子 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.